this is Daisy Gray with Sognia. We are a manufacturer of natural hibiscus beverages, and today I am going to show you how to remove seeds from raspberries. So we have here a bowl of fresh raspberries. We have here a bowl that is for the purpose of catching the beverage as it comes out of the raspberries, a spoon, and a regular household strainer. And this is all you need. And you basically place the strainer inside of your bowl, put a few raspberries inside of the strainer, and then use your spoon to crush the raspberries. And what you'll end up with is a puree, basically, of the raspberries as the seeds are removed. So just repeat the process and keep going until you have all the raspberries that you desire without seeds. And of course you have plans for these, I'm sure, for making your homemade smoothies or your lemonade or your beverages. We actually use this as one of our ingredients in Sognia hibiscus. It's one of our natural ingredients. We don't go through the process of manually doing it this way, but it is one of our natural ingredients. And as you can see, the puree is being removed from the raspberry, leaving the seeds inside the strainer. Thank you for watching. This is Daisy Gray with Sognia. Enjoy your seedless raspberries.